Thumbs up. Arm your quads. Live on the tone. Less than 5. Off to the races we go. We're inside a structure with a great course and a field of 46 pilots competing over the course of this event, representing 16 schools. And things really start to heat up here in our first round. Single Core is one of the pilots here to really watch here in this one, representing the University of Central Florida. I've been watching him in practice, and I mean, pretty much being up at the top of the board there. So we're looking at Flying J with his opening lap time of 38.2. Fastest lap on the course is about a 24.6. There's Flying Polak across with a 48 and change. There's Beater Fuse with a 58 and 5. Just past a midway point. $40 seconds still to go here on the master race clock. 20 seconds still to go here. Flying J, your leader, representing Embry-Riddle Aeronautical University, Daytona Beach. Working on lap number 3. He's got a pair of 30s, now 3 30s. On to lap number 4 we go with 10 seconds to spare. 38, 34, 33. But it's the number of laps that they can do in the 2 minutes allotted. There's 3 seconds left on the clock. We get on to lap 3 with Beater Fuse and Flying Polak. There's a ding, going to be a checkered flag the next time they go through our start-finish gate. Intimidator is going to be done in a lap in 2:02, but he is on the board. Our field separated here by a bunch of the course, but here's your first one to finish up 4 laps. Flying J, 4 laps, 2 minutes 17. And after round 1, heat 1, he's your top qualifier. 2 more to go. 2 minutes 17 is pretty solid too. I think that is our second fastest run of laps and laps in the 2 minutes allotted over the course of practice. We gave them 3 rounds yesterday as we worked through practice, and 1 round this morning. And everyone down, let's retrieve some quads. 4 laps, 2 minutes 17 for Flying J, 3 laps, 2 minutes 42 for Beater Fuse, 3 laps, 2 minutes 44 for Flying Polak, 1 lap for Intimidator, and we lost Single Core on the opening.